Gut health starts with the right microbes. My surprising journey discovering a key microbe. I struggled with bloating, irregular digestion, and fatigue for months. I tried many foods and supplements with little improvement. Then I researched WHO, Mayo Clinic, and NIST studies on gut microbiota. I discovered that a single beneficial microbe can support digestion, immunity, and mood. This video shares my honest experience with humor, practical tips, and real science. Lactobacillus rhamnosus is one of the most studied gut microbes. Research in the Journal of Gastroenterology shows it supports gut lining and reduces bloating. I added probiotic yogurt and fermented foods with small portions daily. After 2 weeks, I noticed more regular digestion and less discomfort. Bifidobacterium longum supports immunity and reduces inflammation. NIST studies highlight that it helps break down fibers and produce short-chain fatty acids. I included kefir and miso moderately in my meals. I felt less fatigue and improved energy levels. Effects vary depending on your gut diversity, diet, and health status. Always consult a doctor before starting new probiotics or supplements. Practical ways I added these microbes safely. Eat a variety of fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Include fiber-rich vegetables to feed the microbes. Avoid over-relying on supplements without guidance. Track symptoms like bloating, energy, and stool consistency. Possible side effects include mild gas or bloating. Initially, start gradually and monitor your body's response. Tracking progress helped me see patterns. I noted digestion, energy, and mood daily. After weeks, I felt more balanced, lighter, and energized. This journey showed me that one key microbe can make a difference when paired with mindful diet. Gut health improves with awareness, consistency, and patience. Your body responds best to balance and gentle adjustments. Like and share if this helped. Start small today and notice the difference in your gut.